Hello, in this video I want to show you how to replace batteries in Wellue Smart Body Fat Scale. And to do this, first we'll need to put our scale upside down, just like this. Then we'll need to open the battery slot right here by pulling it just like that. Then remove it. Inside there's a slot for AA batteries, and then simply remove them like this. And now to insert them, we'll need to align the plus with the minus, like so, and place them all like this. Now we can close the slot, and our scale should be fully functional. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.